Our life is amazing gift. Everyone already got it, but all will get once only. Gift always gives us joy, but we feel always stressed because most often we practice hurting each other, so we fail to recognize the value of gift. Let us bring back the joy of life together by practicing the important and valuable principles of life. At least one principle in a day we should try to apply in our daily life, and progressively we should make it as our inherent habit. If we practice this every minute in our life, we will become amazing gift to someone's life. Let us practice. You practice peace. It is an inner sense of calmness that comes in moments of silent gratitude. It is a way of being very quiet and looking at things so that you can understand them. You practice peace when you appreciate the differences. You practice peace when you avoid harming anyone. You practice peace when you create inner peace with regular silent meditation. Practice peace. You practice excellence. It is when you can give your best. You are the best, no matter what you are doing. It is an effort guided by a noble purpose. The perfection of a seed is in the fruit which grows from it. You practice excellence when you set noble and realistic goals. You practice excellence when you don't try to do everything. You practice excellence when you give yourself to whatever you do. You practice excellence. You practice respect. It is an attitude of honoring oneself and others and caring about their rights. Being respectful is reflected in the courtesy with which we speak and act and treat one another. You practice respect when you are receptive to the wisdom of elders. You practice respect when you honor other people's need for time and space for themselves. You practice respect when you treat them the way they deserve to be treated. You practice respect. You practice justice. It is being fair in everything you do. It is standing up for your own rights and the rights of other people. It means that every person's rights are protected. You practice justice when you own up to your mistakes and accept the consequences. You practice justice when you refuse to prejudge and see people as individuals. You practice justice when you avoid gossiping and backbiting. You practice justice. You practice honesty. It is being sincere, open, trustworthy, and truthful. It means not to make false promises, but to do what you said you would do. You practice honesty when you say what you mean and mean what you say. You practice honesty when you tell the truth tactfully. You practice honesty when you refuse to cheat, steal, or lie. You practice honesty. You practice unity. It is a way of seeing the universe as one. It brings harmony. It is built from a shared vision of the common good. You practice unity when you refuse to join in when others express prejudice. You practice unity when you solve conflicts through listening. You practice unity when you treat all people as members of the global family. You practice unity. You practice confidence. It is having faith in something or someone. It means you trust that you have what it takes to handle whatever may happen. It brings the strength to try new things. You practice confidence when you learn your own strengths and weaknesses. You practice confidence when you practice until you master something. You practice confidence when you are willing to try new things. You practice confidence. You practice mercy. It is giving people more than they deserve, whereas justice is giving people what they deserve. It is a quality of one's heart. It is a willingness to forgive when you are hurt. You practice mercy when you overlook hurtful things people do. You practice mercy when you give people another chance when they make mistake. You practice mercy when you put yourself in other people's shoes. You practice mercy. You practice love. It is caring for someone, longing to be near them and wanting to share with them. It is treating other people just as you would like them to treat you with care and respect. You practice love when you treat others as you would want them to treat you. You practice love when you show your love with thoughtful acts and kind words. You practice love when you share your things and yourself wholeheartedly. You practice love.